Hi there, my name's Bev and I teach on the Complementary Therapies course. It's a level 3 diploma and it's run over 1 year, which you can join in September 2021. In the course you're expected to do reflexology, body massage, aromatherapy. You will also learn anatomy and physiology, which is like your human biology. You will do business practice and also principles and practices, which is like your histories and your health and safety. The course requirements are 5 GCSE grade D or above, or a level 2 equivalent, and also which is preferable as your maths and your English. But should you not have that, then that will run alongside the course. On the course you would be expected to come in for at least 2 days a week. They are full days, and at the moment this year they run from 9 till 4:30. Okay, so part of the course we would expect you to do some work experience, and that might be at somewhere like the Grand Hotel, which is a spa, alternatively at one of the salons in the town centre. That would gain you further experience. You'd work with clients, get to see how the salons work, and then obviously you can put what you've learned into practice within the classroom. Additional costs for the course, you would be expected to purchase a uniform, just like what my students are wearing today. You'd also be expected to get together a kit with your oils in. We get our oils from Eve Taylor, and Eve Taylor do a special student kit at a special price which you can order. But should you not be able to afford that, then you could buy your oils one at a time when you can afford them. If you can afford the books, that's great. If not, we get them online, so you can have access to that as well. If we go on trips throughout the year, which we have done in the past, we've been to Body Worlds in London, which was an exhibition on the human body, the Crystal shop over at Arlington, the Grand Hotel where we get a show around and then a hot chocolate at the same time. So once you've completed the course, this will open the door to allow you to work in a salon or a spa. We also have Steiner cruise liner come to the college and interview our students. So some of our students have gone to work on cruise liners. And also you may wish to progress onto the foundation degree, which is also run here. And one of my students last year, she's gone on to do the foundation degree this year. At the moment we're in a classroom set up to do practical work, and in here we would expect to do aromatherapy, reflexology, body massage. We also have a computer room that we would do our theory work in, and the theory work would be the work that you collect together that would then go into your portfolio. So you put together a portfolio of all your practical work, all your theory work, and you'd also be expected to do 2 exams throughout the year, and that would be on anatomy and physiology as well. Multiple choice questions and plenty of preparation beforehand. So throughout the year we have guest speakers, and they come into the college and they do a presentation and a demonstration about the treatments that they do. So for example, we have a kinesiologist who comes in and she does a demonstration. And then we will also do some workshops throughout the year, so it might be on Reiki, or it might be on stone therapy or some crystal work, and they're just short workshops that we do just so that you get a broader understanding of the complementary therapies available. If you're interested in applying for the course, please go online onto our website. If you've got any further questions, please email us, and the email will come up at the end of this video. And yeah, we look forward to meeting you.